Hello guys, right now I am walking on the golden sands of Pattaya Beach. Behind me inland's blue ocean and on my right, people just chilling under the sun. This is not just a beach, this is a whole vibe. Let me show you something insane. Dear viewers, right now I am in the heart of Bangkok city, standing on an overbridge waiting for a taxi. We already booked it online, but honestly, I just could not resist capturing this city view. Bangkok is a city that never stops. Even the traffic feels alive here, just like Bangladesh. Yes, traffic jam is real here too. Finally, our ride is here and now we are heading towards Pattaya Beach. As we move forward, the city slowly fades and nature starts taking over. In less than an hour, we are almost there. And trust me, the journey itself is absolutely beautiful. Right now, we are passing through a road that literally feels like Cox's Bazar Marine Drive. On my left, endless ocean views. In front, a smooth road and all around a clean and organized environment. No shouts, no noise, just peace. I asked the driver to slow down because moments like this deserve to feel. And here we are Pattaya Beach. Fasting fast, let's take a drone shot.
Hazes in my mind, see the shorelines gentle.
You can literally do everything here. Paracycling, board riding, underwater experience, even drone shots.
Crescent line, this ocean glow.
But today I'm keeping it simply and budget friendly. Now we are finally on the beach. Look at these coconut trees standing right on the sand. It feels unreal.
Feels like it's all mine, chasing the last rays of sun so bright, drifting on a wave of pure delight. Pattaya breezes through.
Maybe during high tide, the water covers half of these trees. Nature here feels so alive. The sand here is thick and soft, almost like quicksand. Walking is not easy, but the view totally worth it. People from all over the world are just relaxing and enjoying life. I even said a quick hi to a few and now I am heading towards the ocean. Some parts of the sea are cool and some are wild with powerful waves. Everything on the shore, I stood there for a while just watching and feeling the moments.
The day and night, Pattaya under neon light.
But honestly, the sun here is no joke. In just a few minutes, I'm getting dark and darker. So yeah, time to head back for beach. One amazing thing, this beach is right next to the main road. You can literally park your car and step into the beach within seconds. The breezy, the shade, everything feels so relaxing here. I'm heading back to the car now, gonna chance and jump into the sea. But before that, just take a look at this view one more time. Clean environment, friendly people, and zero showers. Honestly, I did not find a single dirty spot here. Friends, this was my Pattaya Beach experience. Hope you enjoyed this journey with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure. Till then, stay safe and keep traveling. Bye bye.